Hello everyone, my name is Swagat Bora and my Unity ID is sbora. Today I'm going to show you a short demo on Devops Homework 3, which is based on implementing Redis queues and Proxy Server. So this is my GitHub repository. So first let me start by cloning this repository into my local machine. Okay, so these are the files that I have cloned. The first thing that we need to do is install all the dependencies using npm install. So this will install all the dependencies. I'll also like to state that I have a Redis server already running, which is running in port 6379. So this Redis server will be using as our own database. So now let me start the application itself. The application is in main.js, where we have implemented all the web routes. So this is my main.js, and you can see we have implemented all the routes here. Coming back to my application, you can see that the application is now listening at port 3000 in localhost. So let's go there and find out if it is actually running. 3000. Okay, so you can see that it is listening at port 3000. Now let's start checking all the web routes. The first thing is set. When we do a /set, a message is being set with an expire value of 10, and then we can see this message by using get. So when we do a set, we see the message is being set. If we do a get, we see that the message has returned its value, which says the message will self-destruct in 10 seconds. And if the 10 seconds is being over, we can see that the message will expire. So I guess now the 10 seconds have expired. So let's do a get again. Okay, so the message has expired. You can do a set again, message is being set, and you can do a get again to see that the message now exists with this value. And then you can try. Okay, so the message has expired again. So now let's show you what the 5 most recently visited sites, which is in /recent. So when we do a recent, it will show you all the recently visited sites, and it will give you the top 5, the 5 most visited. So if you do recent again, you can see that this is the last recent that we visited. Okay, so now let's show you upload. So what upload will do is, we already have few images in our img folder, and this upload command will post this photo into the localhost. So we can come here and we can do a curl command to post this image into localhost. You can see this image has been posted. Immediately in our localhost, you can view this image by using meow. So what is happening is upload is posting all these images, and we are storing these images into a queue, and when we do a mew, it finds out the latest image that we just uploaded, and it deletes that image from the queue. So let's start by, so these are the images that we have currently. So let's start by uploading different images into the queue and checking out. So first let me upload the morning image, then ice cream, and then Harry Potter. So what should happen is, when we do a mew, it should show me the Harry Potter image first, then ice cream, then morning, since this is the order that we added. Okay, so this is the Harry Potter image. We can do a mew again, it will show me the ice cream image, and then we can do again, and it will show me the mew again, the initial morning image, and then if we try to run it again, it will show me that the image list is empty. So it has emptied the whole list. So now let's show you the spawn command. So when we do a /spawn, it will spawn a new server in a random port, which will be chosen between 3000 and 4000 randomly. So let's do a spawn. You can see now that a new server is listening at port 3113. We can view the command here. You can see that a new app is listening at 3113. We can see that whether this is correct. 113. You can see now we are getting a response from 3113. We can spawn more similar servers. So it is listening at 3993. We can do 3 again, and we can do again 3049. So it is creating random servers. So now if we want to destroy any server, what we can do is we can do destroy. So what destroy will do is it will choose a random server from the list of running server, and it will stop those servers. If we do a destroy, it says that 3939 has been closed. We can see whether it is the correct by doing list servers. So you can see 3939 is not in the list. You can see now there are 4 available servers. We can do destroy again. So 3046 has been closed. So if we do a list servers again, you can see that 3046 is no more in the list. You can do a spawn again, and it will create a new 3462, and you can do a list servers and you can see that the 3462 localhost is now present. So this shows the spawn, destroy and list server thing. Now let me go and show you the proxy implementation. The proxy implementation is done in the proxy.js, which we need to run using same node proxy.js command. Okay, so now my node proxy.js is running, which is running in port 9100. So when we do localhost 9100 and do a slash, what it does, it selects a server from the list of available servers, and it toggles all the requests from one to the other server. So if we do a slash, it shows me that it is doing the response. We are getting it now from 3000 server running at 3000 port, and you can see the proxy server is now requesting 3000. If we do a slash again, we see that now it is requesting 3049 and proxy server is requesting 3049. We can do again a 3113. So these are the available list of servers that we had, 3113. So next will be 3462. So 3462. Similarly, we can run any command, any route. So /2 message is set, and we can see that the message is being set and the request is being sent to 3000 again. Or we can do a get message has expired because, and we are getting the localhost, the proxy server is sending it to 3049. So that is how the proxy will work. So thank you everyone for